everyone, Tim Schofield here. And about 6 years ago, I posted my original Nintendo Switch unboxing video, and that video has over 6 million views, so thank you for all the support. And now it's time to open a brand new Nintendo Switch. This is the OLED model, however, it's a special edition. Around the same time the original Switch was Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, and this is the Tears of the Kingdom, so the next game to come out for the Switch. Anyways, now that it's been about 6 years, drop a comment, let me know if there's any other Switch games I should be checking out, obviously aside from the Zelda game. But anyways, we're gonna open this box up, see what comes inside, check out the new design of the Nintendo Switch OLED. Let's get started. And here is the Tears of the Kingdom Special Edition Nintendo Switch OLED. Unfortunately, game not included. Actually, the game doesn't release till May 12th, which is kind of a bummer. I'm gonna have to sit on this Switch without being able to play the game. So that's not ideal overall. It's fine that it doesn't come with it, but I would like to have seen them both release at the same time. Just an overall look at the box with the design, a lot of pictures of the Switch. Now let's open it up. At the bottom, instructions to plug it in and set it on up. Let's see what we get. And right away, we have our Joy-Cons and the Switch itself. We're gonna set that to the side, build some suspense, see what the extras and the design of everything else is in here. First up, our high-speed HDMI cable and our USB Type-C cable for charging. It is completely connected here, and the prongs don't collapse at all, which doesn't make it as portable as you'd like. I also wish it would disconnect, but it just doesn't. We have our Joy-Con grip included, and it does not seem like this is themed at all. Now everything else that's in the box is themed. So here we go. Here's our dock for the Switch with some very specific markings on it. I'd like to take just a closer look overall at it. On the back, a slot for your cables. This back piece should just pop out. It does. On the inside is where your AC adapter, HDMI, and your Ethernet ports are. On the right side are two USB Type-A ports, a status light indicator. On the left side, absolutely nothing. And here's just a quick close-up of the overall design that I assume you'll have probably sitting near your TV for your docking station. Looks really clean. Next we have our Joy-Con straps themed white and gold. Seem to be a pattern there, but just nice looking straps. We'll put these on the Joy-Cons a little bit later on in the video. Here's a look at those themed Joy-Cons, throwing in a little green on the left-hand side. So green and gold on the left, white and gold on the right. Buttons are themed, and the back, same overall design. Quick closer look at the front and the top for those gold buttons that you can press, and then flipping it over, there's a close-up of the back. Last but not least, our OLED Switch. Here it is, flipping it over. Very minimal theme to the back of it. You'll notice the pattern here. Obviously, this does have a kickstand that can pop out. This is just the same OLED Switch, but obviously a different pattern back. My OLED Switch is right here. Just a quick comparison. And you can actually kind of feel the pattern that's on the back. So that's kind of nice and a little bit different and unique. Anyways, down at the bottom is your USB Type-C port. Up towards the top is all of your buttons, your game card, headphone jack as well. All this boots up, as promised, I'm going to connect our Joy-Cons to the straps just so you can kind of take a look at what the style is, what it looks like. There's the right one, and let's grab our left one and connect that, and there it is. So left and right, obviously probably using them horizontally. Closer look at that. Connecting our Joy-Cons so you can get a full look at what the Switch is going to look like while you're using it. I'll run through the setup process, talk about anything noteworthy, if there's any themed things. Nice little startup music there, and just flipping it over so you can take a look at the back with the full style here. Let me see if I can, there we go. So there it is with the design and the Joy-Cons attached. Let's go ahead and run through the setup process. Nothing out of the ordinary setting this up. I was hoping for some software differences, maybe just anything related to Zelda in the software, but even under themes, it's just basic white or basic black there. So unfortunately, that's there's no software theming to my knowledge. Anyways, in the meantime, I know what I will be installing and playing. a quick look at the back of the original Switch and the Switch OLED with the different designs, of course, and just the original Switch and our special edition back to back, so to speak. And then also, while this is still downloading, I'm sure it's downloading the software, I wanted to set this in. So while it is in the dock, this is what it will essentially look like. So the Joy-Cons, obviously you might detach them before you're actually going to dock this, will stick out, but still wanted to give you an overall look at what the full design with that Triforce in the middle and just the accents on the side. So you might actually set this in and just use a different controller, or of course you could take them out and use them with your straps. Anyways, that is everything from me on the Tears of the Kingdom Special Edition. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to click that subscribe button. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up as well. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this special edition. If you're picking one up for yourself, I can link to it down in the description of the video. But anyways, as always, thanks for watching.